In this video, I will show you how to create your Threads account. Now, on your Instagram profile, you need to go to this three-line menu, then you choose Threads and go on to download the Threads app from your App Store. You can also go to threads.net and go on to download the app, or even go straight to your App Store and download the app. And when you open your app, you'll need to log in with the Instagram account. And if you have more than one Instagram account, you can always switch to another account. And on this next screen, you'll need to customize your Threads profile, where you can upload a profile picture and add other things like your bio and a link. But you can also import these profile details from your Instagram account. And as you can see, you cannot change your handle name. And from there, you can choose whether you want your account public or private. Then you read this info about Threads and your Threads account will be ready. And if you go to your profile, you can make some settings, including privacy settings, and also edit your profile. You can also access your Instagram account from your profile, share your Threads profile, and a few other profile details. And on Threads app, you can make new threads, which are basically posts, search for other users and other info, and see your activity. And after following some people and posting threads, you should start seeing some activity on your home screen. And on your Instagram account, you can always go to your Threads account through a number assigned to you. And to create another Threads account, you need to use a different Instagram account. And to delete your Threads account, you need to delete the Instagram account associated with your Threads account, at least for now. But you can always deactivate your Threads account on your account settings. And to delete your Instagram account, you need to go to settings, then help and help center. And through this three-line menu, you can go on to delete your account and manage your account depending on your mobile or on desktop platform. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Threads and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.